Okay, here we go, guys. 2 boxes of Immaculate Baseball, round 5. Random numbers, 99 total spots. We're also randomizing 4 spots in a full case random teams break. Random teams number 2, full case. It's almost there. It's getting there. 1 4 spot giveaway at a time. That thing's filling up. It's down to 6 now. Good luck. That's how many times we'll hit the randomizer. For your numbers, 4 times. After that, we'll go back and randomize the names an additional 3 clicks. See who gets the spots in the full case break. The Lakers. Oh. Just gotta be quick, man. 1-1 on the top, and YBJ on the bottom. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4th and final hit. Cross fingers, hold winners. Good luck. 4. H2B2, Zach on the top. Plenty of other people besides him get the Lakers. Mad Thon on the bottom. You just gotta be on the website at noon Pacific when those go live. You must be asking about Noir. I mean, that's pretty much all he's buying them in. How about Noir, yeah? Here's the top 30. H2B2 down to Carlos 42468. Immaculate? Nah, that ain't him. He hadn't even bought a team in Immaculate yet. And the Lakers went for $450 in Immaculate. Not sure you want to pay. If you want to drop $450, I'll let you know when the next one's gonna go live. You got it, Jay. Glad they got you safe. You start ripping into them already. 31 down to 60. Ed Reed to the big fundamental. I think that's what it was. Maybe I'm wrong. No, I'm pretty sure they were $450. T-Wolves were $500. $499 for the T-Wolves, $450 for the Lakers. And they were the first 2 teams gone. They were good cases? Ah, good to hear, man. Right on. Nice. 61 down to 90. B-Money to B-Wig 22. All right, and the bottom 9, 91 and 99, J-Dog to Madthon. All right, back to your names over here. We're going to randomize this list 3 more times, and then the top 4 names, you get into the full case random teams Immaculate Baseball. Right there, you'll be on that list right there. Good luck. 1, 2, and 3. D&H Martin, J-Dog 19, BGP 100, and Matt 0912. Winners. Congrats, guys. You're in. Wow. Good luck in this one. Here you go. Get this numbers on the screen here. Not what I want. That's not what I want either. All right. Need to brand new it up. Here we go. I just dropped a whole bag of honey sleeves. Boom, sick. emails. Here we go. Oh, look at that. We got a 101, guys. 101. Going to H2B2 in the 1 spot. Oops. I'm messing stuff up over here. There you go. It is a Dallas Keuchel magenta plate. Juan de Juan. Next up, Adrian Gonzalez bunting. That's got to be a practice or something. I don't know. 9 out of 99. SC Dixon. The Niner. 89 of 99. Kyle Schwarber. DNH Martin. Jake Arrieta, Orioles days. Number 15 out of 20. Grandma G59. '87 of 99. Billy Burns. That was J-Dog 19. And a double jersey, double bat auto of Will the Thrill. Number 30 out of 49. That's Carlos, 42468. Box 2. Number 99, Matt Carpenter. 75 of 99, DM13. '59 of 99, Socrates for the D-backs. DNH Martin. Number 25, Mike Trout. Big jersey, 21 out of 25. YBJ. This is 38 of 99. Addison Russell. J-Dog 19. Big jersey. Rookie auto patch on card. Nice patch. Ketel Marte. Top 10. 10 of 99. Steelers 6-time champs. No bill. And number 9 out of 25, John Smoltz. Immaculate Heroes. Going to J-Dog 19. It's Golden Graph Smoltz. That does it for a 2-boxer, guys. Thanks again, everybody, for joining. I'll load another one of this in the store, I'm sure. Keep running these, giving away spots and bigger breaks and that kind of stuff. Thanks for watching and joining. Until next time. Peace.